NemoClaw versus OpenClaw, OpenClaw, NemoClaw, everywhere over the internet. My Facebook feed, my LinkedIn feed, my Twitter feed is filled up with these agents which are doing tasks on your behalf. And Jensen Huang, who is the CEO of NVIDIA, recently did a conference and he said that OpenClaw is an iPhone for AI agents. So it's really important for you guys to understand what is OpenClaw and what is NemoClaw, which is released by NVIDIA. So let me first explain you guys what is OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an agent which can do tasks on your behalf and you can control it via WhatsApp, Slack, Discord. I've already created a video on how you can install it. Link in the description or somewhere around the screen. This video is about NemoClaw versus OpenClaw. And I have created a simple presentation for you guys to make it understandable in a very simple and easy language. So that is Mr. Jensen Huang with the OpenClaw clause, and they have released this NemoClaw. And that is a presentation which I have created for you guys in order to explain that what is OpenClaw and what is NemoClaw. So OpenClaw is an AI agent which can perform tasks on your behalf, and the NemoClaw is the secured wall created by NVIDIA, and basically you can use OpenClaw securely. So there was a incident in Facebook where when OpenClaw was tested in a live and production environment, it deleted all of the emails. And with NemoClaw, which is an add-on, a plugin for OpenClaw, you can use it securely. Now, OpenClaw is an agent which will run 24/7 on your VPS or on your laptop, and it has some skills which you will add, and there's a gateway which is a UI if you want to control it via UI, and it also has memory and scheduler, meaning it can work 24/7 without your intervention on your behalf. Now, the fatal flaw with the OpenClaw was that it was running on exact same permission as your user account. So if you're using it on your personal laptop, it has all of the admin access, all of the system access, all of the API access. You might have your Bitcoin wallet, you might have your private files, and it was reading all of that. It could send away, it could delete all of that stuff because you have given all of the permission. And 1 in the 5 skill on the official hub of OpenClaw were malicious, meaning it was injected with malicious code which could steal your API keys, which could steal your crypto wallet. So that was a serious risk with OpenClaw. That actually what happened when it was tested with Facebook on the production environment. And then that's when entered NemoClaw, created by NVIDIA, which has added the secure boundary wall around OpenClaw with the OpenShell isolated container, NemoClaw management system, and the employee was OpenClaw, so everything will work on a secure environment. Quick favor before I proceed further, if you're liking this video and if you want to stay updated with latest AI tool, make sure to subscribe the channel. Me and my team are adding a lot of effort to give you guys latest information related to latest AI tool, what latest things happening in Shopify, and all of the tech environment. So please make sure to subscribe the channel. Back to the video. So that was the secure wall added by NemoClaw, and the security layer only works with the allowed folders, meaning if you have a sandbox environment and a temp folder, it is going to allow OpenClaw only on that environment. It does not have access to outside the sandbox or your personal files and system OS. Next, we have a security layer which will only allow the host which is on your YAML guest list. So you can see the example here that api.anthropic.com, this host is allowed on your YAML file. Only then it is going to allow that request. All the other fake hosts or requests will be denied, and it is going to automatically intercept calls to your LLM models and scripts personal data before requests ever leave the sandbox. So you can see here that security camera is always active with the NemoClaw. It is going to read your sandbox. It is not going to approve the unknown IP or unknown host. And these are some of the myths which you are seeing over the internet, that it replaces the OpenClaw. It does not actually replace the OpenClaw. It actually runs OpenClaw inside it, and it works seamlessly with GPT, Claude, and Gemini. It is not locked to Nemotron. Nemotron is a model by NVIDIA. So if you're using NemoClaw, it is not locked with just the Nemotron. And it does not also require NVIDIA GPU. You can run it on a standard VPS. And it requires a fresh, clean install of OpenClaw. And these are some of the entry ticket requirements. The OS required, which is Linux, Ubuntu. There's a system RAM requirement, and these are the core dependency, which is the Node.js. Also, guys, let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you guys how to actually install the NemoClaw and work with NemoClaw using OpenClaw. These are some of the pros and cons. So if you are playing around with it, you're just playing it for fun, the setup just requires you 5 minutes, low-level user-level access. But if you are using NemoClaw, it is giving you more secure sandbox environment, and it is for the enterprise. And that is the final verdict, guys. If your AI agent touch anything that actually matters, put it in the sandbox, run it with NemoClaw. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.